Hello, Year 3. I hope that you're all doing absolutely amazing and staying safe and learning as much as possible at home. Today, we're going to be looking at Jack and the Beanstalk. As you can see, we've got the story to the left and our questions to the right. Now, I hope that you have read the story once or twice and maybe even discussed it with mum or dad or your brother or sister at home. So, let's look at the first question. Here you can see that it says, "What did Jack sell?" Now, the first thing is to think of what the key word is in the question. So we're looking for the word sell. All right, what did Jack sell? We're going to start at the beginning of the story and we're going to look for that key word. So skimming along the text and looking for the word sell. And then when you find that word, you should be able to see the answer. Have a look at the sentence around the word. So we can see it here. So read that whole sentence, all right, going back to the very beginning of the sentence to see what he sells, all right? And then you should have your first answer. Let's have a look at the next question, question 2. What did Jack get in return for the cow? All right, so let's have a look. What could the key word be? Let's have a look for cow, okay? So looking for cow. So now we know that Jack's mother asked him to take the cow to market to sell, but what did he get in return? All right, and then we can see in that last sentence there what Jack received for the cow. Let's have a look at question 3. What grew in the garden? So keyword garden, okay? So let's have a look. We're going to the next paragraph. So have a look in this paragraph to see where you can find the key word from the question. So the word is garden. So you have a look for garden and you read the whole sentence. Okay, what ended up growing in the garden? Now, the next question is question 4. What did Jack see once he climbed to the top of the beanstalk? Okay, so let's have a look here and see if you can find beanstalk. All right, so you can see how I'm trying to find the key words to help me find the answer. So we've got beanstalk here. Have a read of the sentence. Okay. Then you can read the question again to make sure you understand what the question is asking. So it says that Jack climbed the very tall beanstalk. Could we use that for our answer? If the question says, what did Jack see once he climbed to the top of the beanstalk? So does this tell us what he saw at the top? No. So then you need to keep reading, all right? So you keep reading. What did he see when he reached the top of the beanstalk? Okay, now I'm not going to tell you any answers. Okay, I'm just showing you how you can answer the comprehension questions, okay, nice and quickly, so you don't have to read over the text again and again and again. Right, question 5. What did the giant shout when he came into the room? So have a think. What could the key word in this question be? What did the giant shout when he came into the room? All right, and then have a look. Make sure that you use as much information as possible, okay? You can't just write one word, okay? You've got 2 lines to write on. Question 6. What did Jack do when he heard the giant? So remember, what is the question asking? What key word could you use to try to find in the text? Okay, and then writing as much information as possible for your answer. Question 7. How did the giant fall asleep? Right, so what could the key word be? And then have a look. Where can we find that key word in the text? All right, question 8. What did Jack take from the giant? Okay, any key words? All right, have a skimming and scanning through. Look for your key word. You've got 2 lines to write a proper answer, not just one word. And then your last question, question 9. How did they get rid of the giant? All right, so now you've got 3 lines. So you need to make sure that you are writing full sentences. Okay, how did they get rid of the giant? Okay, so have a look. Read over, skinning and scanning the text. All right, and that's all that I'm going to show you today. I hope that this helps you with your reading comprehension, and I hope that you all stay safe and well.